come from a family which we had no money. Why do you wear something? You wear something because you want to reflect some idea or identity. There was a show that I did about my father and my mother's love affair. ये सबको बता दें कि मैं 12वीं में फेल हुआ. लाइफ में मेरी एक ही फिलॉसफी है. मेरे गाड़ी में कोई रियर व्यू नहीं है. What has happened behind is not important. What is going to happen in the future is more important for me.
Abhi ka show and Nari.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving me time.
Not at all. I mean, it's lovely to even having known you over so many years.
Yes.
In different roles.
Since
it's
2008.
It's good to reconnect.
I know, and so good to see you after so many years. But मतलब इस इंटरव्यू के पहले मैं 2 दिन से यही सोच रही थी what should I wear for this interview, because you know जब legendary designers के पास आप आते हो ऐसे इंटरव्यूज के लिए या मिलने के लिए, तो मतलब सोचना पड़ता है यार क्या पहन के जाऊँ. So I think my outfit is
right. So for me, I tell people मुझसे मिलना है तो दिमाग लेके आइएगा. बस कपड़े जो भी चाहिए वो पहन लो आप, लेकिन दिमाग लेके आइएगा.
But you approve of this outfit?
I do. I think yes. Black is a classic. It looks good for everyone.
And also safest. For me, I thought.
I prefer being slightly bolder, but
okay.
Okay.
But
you can see.
Congratulations for Tamiska, right?
Yeah, Tamiska. Yeah.
Okay, what a lovely name. So मैं इसी से start करती हूँ पहले. Just tell me like what does this name mean?
तो तमिस्का हमारे जो बिजनेस पार्टनर थे उनके फैमिली में 3 लड़कियों की एक्रोनिम से पहले शब्द उनके नाम लगा के एक साथ बनाए हैं तमिस्का. इट साउंड्स व्हेन आई हर्ड इट द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सेड इट साउंड्स वेरी ग्लोबल. इट्स एंड द आइडिया ऑफ द ब्रांड आल्सो कि ये ऐसा ही है कि वी वांट टू ब्रिंग ग्लोबल आइडियाज बट to global sensibility to Indian consumer.
Okay.
क्योंकि आज if you look at like consumers आजकल they run around, they travel the world, they see everything in the world and they want to bring that world into their homes every day of their lives.
And also like Gen Z's के लिए ये
Gen Z, yeah. So the idea is आज तो Gen Z age नहीं रहा. Gen Z is a way of thinking.
Way of thinking. Oh.
And more than anything else, you know, it's a way of thinking and where India is today, I think we are at the cusp of a change and change where we are integrating ourselves into the global market, consumers and all that. So we all want to look like people from around the world, but have our own little nuances.
Wow. Nari, like being so many years in this industry, what things personally has changed for you if I ask in terms of when you entered in the industry,
right.
fashion industry, and जब आप पहले आते हो like बहुत सारे नए डिजाइनर्स भी होंगे, so उस वक्त एक आप अलग थॉट के साथ आते हो ना, और जब आप अपनी जर्नी देखते हो तो what's that one thought?
So जब करियर स्टार्ट होता है तब योर फोकस इज ओनली गेटिंग योर नेम टू बी नोन. नाम बनाए, कैसे बनाए, मेक इट विद समथिंग लाइक दैट. दैट्स योर मेन फोकस एंड शुड बी योर मेन फोकस. अब तो आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद वेयर आई एम. नाम जो करना था वो हो गया. अब फोकस करना है अच्छे आइडियाज के, नए डिजाइन्स के, नए थॉट प्रोसेस के, एंड आई कम विदाउट द लोड ऑफ हैविंग टू बिकम फेमस ऑल ओवर अगेन.
And just tell me also like Narendra Kumar Ahmed, but you are famous as Nari in the entire industry. Like right. Everyone fondly calls you by that name. So मतलब ये नारी जो word है, ये आपको जो नाम मिला, ये कैसे मिला था?
I think ये नाम मुझे कॉलेज में दिया. फैशन स्कूल में जब मैं पढ़ रहा था वहाँ पे मिला मुझे नाम. लेकिन ये नरेंद्र कुमार अहमद बहुत लंबा नाम होता है और लोगों को बताना भी मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है. सो इज एन इजी नेम टू सो नारी साउंड्स गुड, वेरी गुड. आई लाइक इट. लोग कहते हैं यार तुम मर्द हो लेकिन नारी कैसे हो?
और आप क्या बोलते हो?
जो आप चाहे.
जो आप चाहे. टॉकिंग अबाउट योर डिजाइन्स, लाइक जब आपने मेंस फैशन किया एंड ऑल, सो एंड कमिंग टू दिस नाउ, सो जिस तरह से फैशन इंडस्ट्री चेंज हुई और आपके डिजाइन्स चेंज हुए, तो व्हाट इज दैट थॉट प्रोसेस व्हेन द डिजाइन चेंजेस? हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली keep changing your mind in terms of fashion?
There are two things.
Yeah.
First thing I tell you about my design philosophy. There are three words that I believe makes people success in the creative field is about three words. One is number one is क्या कहते हैं passion. Passion for something that to the point of obsession. ऐसा passion रहना चाहिए कि तो आप पागल हो जाओ. That should be your passion first. Number two is you should know who you are. Conviction. Word number two is conviction. Conviction is you know who you are as a person. What are your values? What do you stand for in life? Because that conviction colors your passion, gives direction to your passion. And it could be anything. It gives them. So those are two important. And the third and the most important part of all of this is evolution. You need to evolve with time,
Right.
because time does not stay constant, you know.
Right.
So you need to evolve with time,
So passion,
but you can
conviction,
and
and
evolution.
evolution.
This is what I believe. I think my idea of success really about all of these three things. Of course, but you know, when I started, you asked me about the fashion business. When it started out, जब we started out, you know, I come from a family which we had no money. My mother was a secretary in a company. My father was a government servant. So I told myself when I started my career, how do I make a name for myself in the industry without any money? And you know, and then I realized that, you know, a lot of my contemporaries came from big families. They had big stores and all that. And so
Right.
I didn't have that. So, but it didn't put me down. What I realized was कि अगर आप देखें तभी तो सभी लोग डिज़ाइनर सब सिर्फ विमेन एक्ट्रेसेस के बारे में बात करते थे. All beautiful, Madhuri Dixit or whatever else, whoever else was there at that time. All of those people were talking about that. But सबसे बड़े stars तो male actors थे. Amitabh Bachchan and Sunil, Sanjay Dutt, and all of these were the real male actors. उनके लिए कोई डिज़ाइनर नहीं था. So I thought, why not I focus on menswear
Menswear, yeah.
and bring an idea out there and then see what we do with it. So we started with a lot of people, with John, and then
Amit ji even.
Amit ji, John, Shahrukh, Akshay, I mean
The list is
Ajay. There's a whole lot of these people. For me, that was validation. That you know, that industry respected me. You know, even till this date, while I've worked with everybody, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि मैंने लोगों के साथ पिक्चर लिया और पोस्ट किया किसी के साथ. कभी नहीं किया मैंने. बट जब भी आप देखेंगे, जब भी वो मुझे अभी भी मिलते हैं, they come and say hello to me. To me, that is satisfaction. कि मैं that I did the right job for what I want to do. The rest is, I also realize कि लोग जो फैशन तब करते थे, सभी लोग क्या करते थे कि अच्छे कपड़े बनाते थे. लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि कहानी के बगैर कपड़े की क्या स्टोरी होगी. Why do you wear something? You wear something because you want to reflect some idea or identity. But without a story, what is the identity? So I started doing stories at my fashion shows. And that's how I evolved into the business, because you know, I remember at Zoom and people also used to wait for Nari's show. कि पता नहीं चलता कि क्या करेंगे वो show में. You know, एक बार तो I had 3 dead bodies on the ramp. 3 dead bodies on the ramp. There was a show that I did about my father and my mother's love affair, where there were women who were crying at a fashion show. So there's a lot that you can do with show storytelling, which really added to what was the real craft for me, which is tailoring.
And that was ahead of time.
It was good. Tailoring is constant throughout life, throughout years.
Entire storytelling.
Storytelling was ahead. Was a little ahead of time, and so
storyteller also.
Exactly. If you see on my Instagram, my post is a storyteller.
That's a very catchy and very unique.
So it is. Then I saw there was a gap. I knew that, you know, there were lots of things that could be told. There was क्या कहते हैं कि एक intellectual designer की कमी थी, जो कहानी भी कह सकते हैं, and would give you an idea of market में क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन क्यों हो रहा है, बदल क्यों रही है market, why are things changing. That's what I did, and I learned that from being the editor of Elle magazine. So understanding, so I did very many things at the same time.
When did that thought came in your mind कि मुझे फैशन डिजाइनर बनना है या मुझे फैशन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है?
ये सबको बता दें कि मैं 12वीं में फेल हुआ और बीएससी ग्रेजुएशन किया केमिस्ट्री में 42% मार्क के साथ,
Okay.
थोड़ा कॉपिंग की मदद से but you know it didn't matter. My first job was नरमन पॉइंट पे जेरोक्स कॉपीज बेचता था, 10 पैसे कॉपी 15 पैसे कॉपी बेचता था वहाँ पे, ऑफिस टू ऑफिस पे जाके भी। और एक 6 महीने के बाद माई पेरेंट्स फेल्ट रियली बैड फॉर मी, तो सर और दूसरी नौकरी दिला दें आपको तुम्हारे लिए। सो दे गॉट मी अनदर जॉब, एंड अनदर जॉब वाज I was selling glass bottles, ये जो दूध की बोतल आते हैं, we used to get पहले ज़माने में, आजकल पानी पीते हैं
उसमें डिलीवरी होती
थी।
I remember।
तो उस कंपनी के लिए मैं मार्केटिंग का जॉब ज्वाइन किया, और मैं पूरे वेस्टर्न सेक्टर में घूमता था, सिटी टू सिटी सेलिंग दोज बॉटल्स। वर्ली डेयरी में भी दूध का बॉटल भी बेचते थे, कोको कोला का बॉटल भी बेचते थे, सब बनाते थे सब। तो आई डिड दैट फॉर अबाउट 5-6 years।
सो मार्केटिंग का एक थोड़ा आइडिया आपको?
हाँ, तब तक 5 साल में मैं
5-6 साल,
हाँ, मार्केटिंग मैनेजर के जैसे बन गया था मैं। फर्स्ट क्लास में जाता था, ट्रैवल्स जहाँ भी जाना था वो सब कुछ था। That was good, you know, it was almost a very good, respectable job, paying well. लेकिन फैशन का शौक था ही मुझे। My mother used to have a hand sewing machine, जिसमें मैं अपने जीन्स के फ्लेयर को कम ज़्यादा फैशन के तौर पे करता था अपने आप से। I learned about it, लेकिन तब फैशन पढ़ने के लिए, सीखने के लिए कोई स्कूल कॉलेज नहीं थे बॉयज़ के लिए, लड़कों के लिए। सब विमेंस कॉलेजेस थे तभी, और मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि मैं विदेश जाके पढ़ के आऊँ। शौक तो था, लेकिन पढ़ने के लिए जगह नहीं थी। तो देन फाइनली आफ्टर अबाउट 6 years of working, आई सॉ एन एड फॉर, क्या कहते हैं, NIFT के लिए, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन। उसमें कहा था या तो आप फर्स्ट क्लास ग्रेजुएशन हो या 12th स्टैंडर्ड में फर्स्ट क्लास हो, या 1 साल की आपकी एक्सपीरियंस हो इंडस्ट्री में। जिस दिन मैंने ऐड देखा उस दिन मैंने रिजाइन कर दिया कंपनी से।
अच्छा।
और 1 साल के बगैर कुछ सोचे हुए, सब लोगों ने मुझे गाली दिए, दोस्तों ने कहा ये क्या कर रहे हो,
बिकॉज़ अच्छी अर्निंग आ रही होगी, मंथली अर्निंग।
तो तभी सब लोग, तब सब स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, MBA बनने चाहते थे, मार्केटिंग मैनेजर, वो सब करना चाहते। मुझे तो कोई शौक नहीं था, मैं तो कर रहा था क्योंकि और कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास करने के लिए। लेकिन जब मुझे ये ऐड दिखी, मैंने आई क्विट माई जॉब सेम डे। मेरे पिताजी और माँ मुझसे बहुत नाराज़ थे, 1-2 महीने के लिए बात ही नहीं किया मुझसे। लेकिन कि कौन पागल चीज़ ऐसे करता है। तो लेकिन मुझे पता ही था कि अगर मैं इंडस्ट्री में तभी ज्वाइन करूं, आगे जाके कुछ तो बनूंगा मैं, कुछ तो बनूंगा, कुछ तो बनूंगा। तो आई डिड दैट। सो यू नो आई डिड दैट 6 months। माय फर्स्ट जॉब ट्रेनिंग जो था यहीं पे केवल इधर सन मिल कंपाउंड में था। मेरा पहला फैशन का नौकरी वाज मैचिंग दुपट्टा टू सलवार कमीज, पैकिंग इन बॉक्स एंड सेंडिंग। तो उसके बाद आई गॉट अनदर जॉब फॉर सेल्स, और फिर इंटरव्यू का दिन आया था। इंटरव्यू के दिन आए थे, तब बड़े सब स्टूडेंट्स थे दूसरे कॉलेजेस के, उनके पास इतने मोटे मोटे पोर्टफोलियो थे। मैं तो सवेरे उठ के 4-5 स्केच करके तैयार, और एक गारमेंट बना के लेके गया था। एक एग्जीबिशन की थी मैंने पहले, पीला रंग का एक ड्रेस था, सिंडी लॉपर के जैसा, हॉल्टर नेक ड्रेस, टीयर स्कर्ट के साथ। और मैं बैठ के देखा, सब लोगों को देख रहा था वहाँ पे। वो तो इतने पोर्टफोलियो, मैं तो कहा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है मेरा। और फिर लास्ट में मेरा नंबर आया इंटरव्यू के लिए, और सबसे पहले उस बोर्ड पे FIT न्यूयॉर्क से फैकल्टी भी थी तभी, न्यूयॉर्क के टाइम। और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि आप थोड़े बुजुर्ग नहीं हो क्या फैशन पढ़ने के लिए? मैंने कहा उनसे कि देखो, मेरे पास ये नौकरी थी और मैंने छोड़ दिया वो नौकरी। अगर आप मुझे दो या ना दो, मैं फैशन करने वाला हूँ। और उसके बाद
then your selection happened.
Then your selection happened. Then it is life is.
And वो ड्रेस देख करके क्या बोला सारे फैकल्टीज
तो उन्होंने देखा कि इसमें पैशन है और ये भी है कि इतनी अच्छी नौकरी छोड़ दी, कन्विक्शन है, नौकरी भी छोड़ दी, इतनी अच्छी नौकरी कोई नहीं छोड़ता ऐसे। वो ये सब मतलब उनके पास कोई कन्विक्शन है कि करना है बोल के, तो वो तो था ही था। तो दैट वाज ग्रेट, that was great. I mean, it is a wonderful story.
And Nari, after like such a like sweet story and मतलब मैं पहली बार सुन रही हूँ, I'm sure बहुत सारे लोग सुन रहे होंगे ये
पहली बार क्या
बट मुझे ये बताओ कि मेंस फैशन की अगर हम बात करें और हम इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की, सो फर्स्ट एक्टर जिनके लिए आपने डिजाइन किया था, क्या था वो, कैसे हुआ था वो?
First one was I think John Abraham. ये रियर व्यू का स्टोरी है, पीछे जो गया अनुराग के साथ काम किया था। नो स्मोकिंग जॉन और अनुराग के साथ नो स्मोकिंग थी। फिर अलादीन अमिताभ सर के साथ किया था। फिर और भी फैशन सबसे बड़ी फिल्म तो फैशन ही है। दैट वाज द इंडस्ट्री चेंजिंग फिल्म, यू नो, मधुर फिल्म, वो भी एक जमाना था।
एंड व्हाट इज मोर फन, स्टाइलिंग पीपल इन द फिल्म्स, मेकिंग क्लोथ्स तो आपका वो फेवरेट है ही, बट स्टिल आई एम आस्किंग यू कि क्या मजा ज्यादा किसमें आता है? मजा
जब तब आता है कि जब आप कुछ कहानी कहते हो। फिल्म क्या होता है कि आजकल क्या होता है, स्टार्स कपड़े पहनते हैं, स्टाइलिस्ट 15 20 कपड़े लेके जाते हैं और स्टार चूज करता है अपने आप पे पहनने के लिए, बिकॉज दे आर लुकिंग एट एवरी शॉट ऑफ व्हाट दे लुक। जैसे हर एक फ्रेम में अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, बस उतना ही उनकी बात है। बट देयर इज अ स्टोरी टू बी टोल्ड। ऐसे नहीं है कि एक्टर्स नहीं है जो ये करते हैं, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स हु यंग अदर एक्टर्स आल्सो हु फॉलो अ स्टोरी थीम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ। तो फॉर मी इट डिडंट मेक अ डिफरेंस। मैं जब जाता था सिर्फ 2 अल्टरनेटिव लेके जाता था। जब मैंने अक्षय के लिए भी ब्लू में फिल्म बनाई थी, बर्म्यूडा में गए थे शूट करने, 2 ही चेंजेस लेके गया था, आपको ये पहनना है या वो पहनना, बस इसमें से आप चूज करना, क्योंकि ये सेट के साथ जाता है, कहानी के साथ जाती है, सबके साथ मिल के जाता है। और ये 15-20 कपड़े लेके जाने की मेरी तो कोई ये नहीं उम्मीद, तैयारी नहीं थी।
एंड उस वक्त लाइक एक्टर्स चीजें सुनते होंगे सारे बहुत
they did, हाँ, तब तो that is the main thing, that was the main thing, yeah, because actors had respect तब, क्योंकि they realized that designers को कुछ तो पता है फैशन के बारे में, they know the story, they know so at least यही था मेरी, that was the only reason I did fashion, because of the respect they had for me. You know, स्टाइलिस्ट का रोल अलग होता है, वो 15-20 स्टाइल लेके जाते हैं और वो चूज करते हैं उसमें से। For me, respect was important, and what I gave was a kahani with the director, discussed with the director. That's all.
And if I talk about the best work till now of yours, अगर जिसमें आपने डिजाइन किया है, लोगों को स्टाइल किया है, तो मतलब वो कौन सा?
You know, I've done for lots of people.
Yeah.
From fashion film was one of the really nice. पूरी फिल्म बनाई तो that was really damn good. और वहाँ पे जो लोग मुझे मेंस वेयर के लिए कहते थे, ये सब विमेंस वेयर, प्रियंका made it big, Kangana made it big at that time. Those films were really path breaking for them and the fashion industry, right? So those are great films, but along the way, dressing people, I never ran after famous people. I only ran after respect, most than anything else. So, I mean, I hope people who have worn my clothes are as happy as I have been to make it for them.
Right. And when you see in today's time, as you mentioned कि इतने सारे entourage आते हैं, कपड़े आते हैं and all, और तब को आप ऐसे compare करते हो या फिर सोचते हो, तो मतलब आपको ऐसे लगता है कि यार अब चीजें कितनी बदल गई हैं उस हिसाब से? फर्क ये है कि
तब एक्टर्स का फोकस एक्टिंग पे था। अगर आप नसीरुद्दीन को देखें, आमिर खान को भी देखें, अमिताभ बच्चन जी को देखें, ऑल ऑफ देम हैड फोकस, शार्प फोकस ऑन देयर एक्टिंग। यू नो, आजकल के ज़माने पे यंग एक्टर्स आर ऑल सोशल मीडिया अवेयर एंड ड्रिवन, तो उनको भी जो उनका इमेज ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होता है more than the acting. But of course there is few exceptions. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं लोग हैं. There are always exceptions kind of stuff. But largely ये shift हुआ है इसमें. मुझे लगता है।
नारी, टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक इस जनरेशन की हम बात करें तो अगर इस जनरेशन में किसी को स्टाइल करना हुआ तो आप किससे करोगे?
No, I see.
किसकी स्टाइल आपको ऐसे पसंद आती है?
Lots of people have individual style, you know. Ranveer has his own style. It's fun, experimental, which is good. There are other people, you know. Someone like Saif Ali Khan has matured nicely into, but you know, I don't know very many of the new actors because मैंने, and this again somebody will kill me because I haven't seen a Bollywood film in the last 20 years. 20 साल में मैंने देखी। लास्ट फिल्म मैंने जो बॉलीवुड की देखी थी वो थी लगान। उसके बाद फिल्म ही देखी नहीं।
आपने फिल्म देखी नहीं?
कभी
बिल्कुल नहीं।
थिएटर में गया नहीं तो।
और जिन फिल्मों के लिए आपने डिजाइन किया वो देखी?
वो भी मैंने देखी नहीं है।
ओके, वो भी आपने नहीं देखी।
जो काम करना था किया मैंने। जो डायरेक्टर को पसंद आई कहानी की तरफ, कहानी इट वाज इन लाइन विद द स्टोरी, फॉर मी दैट वाज गुड।
और इतने सारे रोल्स जो आप अपनी लाइफ में निभाते हो, लाइक फिल्म मेकर, डिजाइनर, स्टाइलिंग, सारी चीजें, ये कैसे कर लेते हो?
मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये जो भी सब करते हैं,
ये सब कहीं ना कहीं मतलब ऐसे पैशन था जो अंदर छिपा हुआ था, ये धीरे धीरे ये यू
I realized from having one sense of style or aesthetic, I tried everything that came my way. क्योंकि because I would have been really bored if I 25 साल से कपड़े बनाते रहता। It's boring, I tell you. Really, it's very boring to do so much just clothes for that many years. There are people who have done it, and hats off to them. Hats off to them. And some of my favorite designers in the world are people who have done that and are good at what they do. But you know, for me, I needed to tell new things at all times.
And your favorite designers are?
My favorite designers are, not very many people know them in India.
In India, okay.
Not India. But if it were India, I think Rajesh Pratap is really very good. I really like his work. Rohit Bal for a different kind of work that he does. Tarun Tahiliani for another kind of work.
Right.
You know? So they're all different styles, but they're good in what they do. But but if I look at global stars, then for me, global stars are people like Azrin Alaya. Nobody knows about him in this country. That is my favorite actor, favorite designer. Who I met. Claude Montana, who was my inspiration to be a designer, right? And lucky to have met them in Paris also. So, so that is good for me. Those were really good opportunities.
You know, जो आम लोग होते हैं ना, जहन में ये बात जरूर आती है that यार डिजाइनर कपड़े हैं ना तो महंगे बहुत होंगे। You know, आपके पास भी ये बहुत सारे
हाँ, तो ये this is a महंगे इसलिए है क्योंकि उसमें सोच भी इसमें क्योंकि वो कपड़े बनाने में टाइम लगता है, मेहनत लगती है, हाथ का काम लगता है, ये इट टेक्स एफर्ट टू डू। ये इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल में जो बनती है वैसी नहीं है। सो देयर इज एन एफर्ट, देयर इज एन रीजन व्हाई इट कॉस्ट दैट मच। वो हजारों नहीं बना सकते उसके, तो यू आर पेइंग द प्राइस फॉर दैट प्रीमियम स्टोरी। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि you cannot take that sensibility and bring it down to the market at a affordable price point. आप देखेंगे there are brands like Anita Dongre and they will do this, you know. Tamiska is also a brand just like this. It is about bringing prices between 1699, 2499, 3599. So it is हर रोज के लिए fashion.
Right.
हर रोज के लिए फैशन। Amazon में कहते थे
फैशन,
Amazon में कहते थे हर पल फैशन।
हर पल फैशन।
That was done when I was there.
Yeah.
That's how society has changed. People want to look good every day. Why should they not?
Right. And नारी का अब तक का, again you will say their view, but ये आपको याद होगा and you have to tell me, अब तक का सबसे expensive outfit कौन सा रहा है?
Most expensive, I don't remember.
No?
But some of the important people जो who have designed for really, you know, like Jeff Bezos, Amazon के मालिक. I got a chance to dress him for the entire. I got a chance to meet him at his house. So there's lots of stuff that I have done in this space, but I'm excited about what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Right. So on that note, tell us what's happening
What's happening tomorrow?
tomorrow in future. अभी आने वाले कुछ दिनों में क्या होने वाला है?
So ये तो तमिस्का अभी लॉन्च हुआ है.
Yeah.
It is already available at 8 Shoppers Stop across the country and lots of other stores, around 25-30 stores. And it is a brand that's available at designer boutiques, LFRs like Shoppers Stop and MBOs. It's the first time something like that has happened. So that is one thing. Then there is the big market, and the biggest thing that is happening is Gen Z. और Gen Z के लिए streetwear. And I have launched this month end we are launching a brand we just launched at Times Fashion Week, Ura Street.
Ura Street.
Ura Street, which is a Gen Z streetwear brand.
Okay. Okay.
So that is very, very exciting. That's a brand that is one brand which has got 4 brands in it.
Oh.
4 different stories
Okay.
in it. So 4 different brands in it. So that is also very exciting. So these are the 2 exciting things.
And what's Nari's personal style?
Personal style changes from streetwear to comfort, luxury, simple style, linen, easy, basically that kind. But a lot of tailoring. I mean, tailoring is my favorite. Because there's another story about why I did menswear was, men were going to gyms, but there was no designer who was focused on tailoring and cutting for men. That is why I did it, because that was also a reason to be able to. Or लोगों को ये भी पता नहीं होगा कि because of what I did, Esquire magazine,
Yeah.
US,
Yeah.
in their Black Book of Fashion, we are the only Indian designers to be listed as 50 of their best in the world.
This was in around
2013.
12, 13. Yeah,
12,
13.
13, yeah.
Yeah.
And only Indian designer.
Only Indian design.
So for me, what more do you want? What more do you want? I mean, it's good. Now to look at what to do next, basically.
And talking about colors.
Yeah.
So आज के date में, like, what is your go-to colors when it comes to men?
So
What will you recommend?
So for men, I think that, seasonal is important, but, I like the Italian style in Florence, where there's a bright pop of color. Everybody doesn't have to wear gray and black and blue and all the time. You can wear it with a dash of color. You can wear a pink suit sometimes. You could wear something like that. That is style today. Style.
और ये सब बातें जब आप बोल रहे हो तो मुझे रणवीर सिंह याद आया.
You can easily picture it.
Yeah.
You can easily because lot of the other younger people not confident in their own self to carry off something like that. They go for the safe option of wearing black.
That is true.
That's what happens. Yeah.
And Ranveer has actually changed.
There's not too many people like him
Yeah.
who will experiment with stuff and
Correct.
because he's supremely confident in himself, he doesn't need to prove anything to anybody. So that is the reason why I believe that you need a sense of confidence in yourself first and foremost to be able to carry off anything. Clothes don't give clothes add to yourself. They can hide stuff, but you have to be yourself first.
And that is coming from a designer. Wow.
True.
That is true.
Yeah. No, it is. It's important.
Yeah,
It's yourself, and you have to be confident in yourself first and foremost. Then फटे कपड़े पहनो, कुछ भी कपड़े पहनो, कोई फर्क नहीं
सब
पड़ता.
चलता है.
सब
चलता है. You have
सब
to be
चलता है.
confident. Okay.
Yeah.
अगर मैं कुछ ऐसे एक्टर्स का आपको नाम दूं तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि इनको क्या कलर या फिर क्या डिजाइन आपके हिसाब से you imagine them in? Ajay Devgan.
He looks good in black, definitely.
Yeah.
Black and grey is good for him.
Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra can go for a much more tailored look because he's got the body, he's got the build to carry something off like that. And, tuxedo.
Okay. Manoj Bajpayee.
Manoj Bajpayee, intellectual. He can carry something Indian really, really well. He brings a sense of intellect with himself. So he's quite easy with what he does. I like that he has a sense of formality, which is sort of Indian with respect and style.
Aamir Khan.
Aamir Khan, I have dressed him in the past and all that. He loves to experiment. He's influenced. He wear dhoti pants. He'll wear stuff like that. He's got that youthfulness in him still, which is very good.
Right.
Which is very good.
And what about Varun Dhawan?
Gen Z style. He can carry that off well, and that could be anything, you know.
Anything, yeah.
Oversized stuff and all of that. He'll look good in something like that.
Great. And now it's time to look at the collection.
So, you know,
Tamiska.
the Tamiska's collection is like tops, tunics, you know, dresses, all of that, mix of all of that. But, you know, largely print based, lots of prints on it. You know, scarf prints, contemporary, modern prints is what we look at. And here,
Your favorite?
my favorite color.
Yellow.
I mean, but there's always a little bit of detailing on every garment. You know, it's not, so there is focus on tailoring, there's a focus on accessories, good quality, because that is what is missing in the market. Or, you know, something like this, kaftan,
Yeah.
you know, for the beach, for a Sunday afternoon lounging, or even jumpsuit is what, jumpsuit.
Wow.
And the good thing is all of this priced between $16.99 to $4.99, really affordable style.
I can also see few of like office going collection even.
Also, that's the
Office
same idea. You want, you would, you know, people trendy office, you know, so you don't have to be boring to wear clothes to office. Again, like good style.
What style do you wear?
So you wear it with trousers. It's like a tunic, kurti, shirt, you know, with a slit in the front. So you could wear it with trousers.
As
Makes
well,
good sense to do that. And this is something for evening, which is a really, really nice style. And you drape it around your neck
Right.
like a shawl collar, but really nice.
Yeah.
Elegant stuff, but at a great price. That's what it is, you know.
And prices between 16
16 to 2499.
to 499.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the range.
That's the range. That's largely the range of the product.
Okay,
Yeah.
and few pieces over here, like very summery, very
It's
colorful.
the season, you know. And the thing is, something like this, fabric is also tencel, you know, sustainable fabric
Yeah.
in it. So that's also part of this collection. So we've done quite a bit of mix of them. I mean, you look at this. This is a favorite of mine also. Nice print. Easy clothing that you don't have to think twice when you buy.
And I like that color. That
Purple is what.
purple and pink.
Purple
right?
and pink, yeah, that's the story.
Yeah.
So this brand is divided into many color stories, basically, is what we want to do.
And the detailing.
Detailing. Most important that it should have good detailing on it.
Yeah. Talking about films, like on fashion, you have made so many films.
Yeah.
अगर मैं पूछूं कोई एक फिल्म जो आपको recommend करनी हो हर किसी को यहाँ viewers को, so which film you are going to?
I think you should see the film 2 + 2 = 5 by Narendra Kumar. It's a Gen Z film, but with a story. The other film also that you can see is called The Marriage of Shaila Patel. By Narendra Kumar again. It's a 20-minute fashion film that you need to see. That talks about women today. It talks about, you know, a young girl born in India, sent abroad to study. Your parents send you abroad to study so that you could be educated and build a life. But what happens when you grow older? Parents want you to come back and get married in the Khandan.
Right.
And then, what happens if you don't love the person you want to marry? That your parents want you to marry. Do you marry the person for love? Do you marry the person for family? What's the kind of person you want to marry?
So these are the two films which
that you should see.
Yes.
There's दोनों कहानी में twist है.
Twist है. Okay. और 2+2 के बारे में हमें ये बता दो आप कि वो.
So 2 + 2 was India's first fashion film to be best fashion film, original selection at the Berlin Fashion Film Festival. It's one of the world's premier fashion film festivals.
Okay, wow. So we have to watch that. Even मैंने नहीं देखा है तो मैं देखने वाली हूँ ये
You
फिल्म
should
तो
see it.
पक्का से. Okay, since we spoke so much about Gen Zs. So यहाँ पे Gen Z slang के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. हाँ. तो बस 2-3 ऐसे पूछ लेते हैं. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी मैं आपका.
Yeah.
So tell me, what does fam means.
What?
Fam.
Fam means family.
Easy वाला दिया था मैंने.
Easy था, easy
Okay. Glow up.
Glow up? Oh no, I don't know the right word. I don't know everything. I'm learning. मैं भी Gen Z हूँ.
तो आपके हिसाब से आपने क्या क्या सीखा है Gen Z's के
Well,
terms?
like you know, I instead of writing "see you soon,"
Yeah.
I just write CYS. I don't write "see you soon," but there's a lot of small things like that I learned. But what is most exciting about Gen Z is for the first time, this generation is so much aware of what's happening in the world. Most people think they're fools because they're sitting on their mobile phones all the time.
Right.
But to me, they're the most intelligent, smart generation that is there. More aware than most people, more aware than their parents also about anything in life.
Right.
So I think that is a really, really exciting space.
Okay.
And also, you should check out this brand called Ura Street,
Oh yeah, even
which is the Gen Z store.
that has launched already.
That is, yeah, you should check that out. But yeah, it'll be up.
Yeah, okay, so that's great. Okay, so then glow up means makeover
Makeover.
or transformation from bad to good.
It is first generation Gen Z, that is, not even second generation Gen Z. That is.
Okay, what is W?
W?
Huh.
No, I will give you a word with W, which might be Gen Z word. It's called Husa.
Husa.
Husa means, who's that?
Who's that? Oh, see, you have been so pro in this.
So yeah, it's
Yeah.
important. I love it. Therefore, I deal with people who are Gen Z. So it's good to know this.
Yeah.
And you know, the thing is, the more you learn, more energetic it keeps you, more active it keeps you, instead of just sitting out and drinking and doing nothing in life.
And on that note, I have to say your collection is dank.
Thank you.
Dank.
Dang.
Dank. Now tell me dank.
It's
It's excellent. It's excellent.
Exactly.
Very high quality.
That's
like
what it is.
excellent. Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you,
Pleasure.
chatting with you.
Thank you.
sharing so
Thank you for
many
doing this.
things.
Thank you, guys.